this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix purchase error on Tinder app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're trying to subscribe to Tinder Gold or any other plan, but you're getting this error, purchase error, please try again. And this is mostly error code 2037 on your Tinder app. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. First, you want to ensure that you have enough funds in your wallet or in your card before you make this purchase. However, if you have enough funds but you still experience this error, then you need to troubleshoot your app before you try. For that, you need to go to your settings on your smartphone, and from settings scroll down to apps. Then under apps, look for manage apps or all apps option. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Here, search for your app by name, and if you tap on it, you can see we are on the app info page. First, you want to stop any background activities that might be running, and then go to clear data and choose clear cache like that, and clear all data. So this will log you out of your app. Then you'll need to restart your phone, and now if you open your Tinder app, everything should be okay at this point. However, if you still can't make the purchase, then you need to check and ensure that you are not connected to any VPN. If you are connected to any VPN, you will need to turn the VPN off or any proxy off before you can make the purchase. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.